बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद। उड़ाली कुमरियों ने तूतियों ने इंद लेबों ने, उड़ाली कुमरियों ने तूतियों ने इंद लेबों ने, चमन वालों ने मिलकर लूट ली तर्ज़े फ़ुगा मेरी। Dear friends and teachers, one of the most important days in Indian history, 26 January 1950, as it was on this day the Constitution of India came into force and India became a truly sovereign state. In this day, India became a republic. The country finally realized the dream of Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Hussain Ahmad, numerous freedom fighters who fought and sacrificed their lives for the independence of the country. So the 26th of January was decreed a national holiday and celebrated as the Republic Day of India. Therefore, today we assembled here to celebrate and to recall our forefathers' sacrifices who laid their lives for the independence of the country. Friends, when we glance at the past, our eyes fill with tears, sacrifices of Muslim freedom fighters. Initially, British spread their nets on the Holy Land India in the shape establishing East India Company and gradually began to blend interfering grave governmental affairs until they held theirs over the country. Step by step, they extend their power, strength and weapon. They did not only overcome but also they took their grips on the kingdom and root out the 100 years old Muslim rule across the India. Now the situation is unspeakable. People had no peace. Every person was in trouble and in dissatisfaction. It seemed a torment over the face of Indian earth. There was an outbreak of violent rebellions everywhere. Agents Englishmen, because of fatwa issued by Shah Abdul Aziz in 1746, he said, framed today themselves into the fight. Agents Englishmen in Goa, a short fire of abomination flashed out. Friends, the main point to notice here is that when the war broke out, it was Muslim community concession to the battlefield alone. From 1756 to 1857, Muslim people, including classical Islamic scholars, educated persons, and Allah-mystic personalities, kept on fighting their level best. The whole country is full of our ulama, incomparable struggle. One of the most outstanding champions stood up in 1799 to stop Englishmen inroads. But their camping suffered a major setback to the treachery of some people. After his martyrdom, the English general was so happy that he committed his dead body and shouted, "From today India is ours." Dear friend, it is a fact that what is locked cannot be blotted. Thus, due to some sultan, their alien say of six, he lack of weapons, as well unity. Their dream could not be true. But after the failure of the 1857 revolution, the Muslim constitution, but after the failure of the 1857 revolution, the Muslim leader changed and strategy and started. But after the failure of the 1857 revolution, the Muslim leader changed their strategy and started setting up educational institutions across the India compared to Englishmen's destroy policies. It was our ulama who not only struggled but also products their blood to irrigate Indian sons. They became iron hill and stone wall in their ways. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.